Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. We've just got a 2015 Vauxhall Insignia on the ramp. Just thought I'd put this quick video together. It's just a little tip for an issue. Basically we've got the gearbox out on this one for the second time. Originally we was just fitting a clutch for a clutch issue, but it did have an oil leak from the crank seal. We've fitted a new crank seal and we've had a gear leak since. It's just a fault that we've missed. It's quite easily missed, so I thought I'd share the video with everyone. It's not an easy clutch job to do, quite a long job to get them in and out every time. So, but basically the crank seal only comes part of a full housing piece, this bit there. Basically what we've done, we've fitted the new seal. It was all sealed around the centre, and you only need to silicone just along the bottom. It comes with a rubber seal on the new crank seal there, so you don't need to worry about that. But the issue that we've had, basically the mounting holes for the actual crank seal, you can see that's got a back in it there, that one's got a back in it, but the top one is actually a through hole into the engine casing there. So when refitting the bolt for the top one, you do need to make sure it's got Loctite on it to seal it up there. So the two end ones again are capped at the back there. So when we fitted the new crank seal, we didn't notice that, just bolted it up. We've fitted quite a few of these in the past. I've never come across one with a straight through hole into the block in it. So but just thought I'd put the video together, just a quick tip just for everyone to check if they was having to replace one. Thanks for watching, hope you liked it, and we'll see you next time.